Okay, there's the airplane. This is the SiOnyx Aurora Sport. Alright, so now in this dark environment, it's probably night level 4, I guess. There's some starlight. No moon. Pretty hard to see in this environment here. So let's turn on the Fire 940 nanometer infrared illuminator. And just like night and day, here we are. Now this is a test of the new IRtalon. So this is pretty cool. It's all one-handed now. You're not carrying a flashlight around. And it stabilizes the video because you're not trying to aim the flashlight and the camera on the same spot. Alright. Available at Etsy.com, keyword kilo ohm.